Every day, millions of Filipinos start their engine. They sit in traffic and watch the fuel gauge slowly dropping and see gas prices climb again. But something new is quietly changing on the Philippine roads. Cars that don't use gasoline at all. So the question is simple. Are electric cars actually better than the gas cars in the Philippines? In this video, we're going to find out. The reality of driving in the Philippines. Driving in the Philippines is different from many other countries. Commutes are longer, traffic is heavier, and fuel prices can change almost every week. According to the Department of Energy, gasoline prices have ranged roughly between 60 pesos to 75 pesos per liter in recent years. For many drivers, that means spending thousands of pesos every month just on fuel, and that's before maintenance costs even begin. The estimated monthly fuel cost is between 6,000 pesos to 12,000 pesos. That's expensive. The hidden cost of gas cars. Gasoline cars run on something called an internal combustion engine or ICE. Fuel ignites inside the engine thousands of times every minute. That controlled explosion is what powers the car. But that process also creates heat, friction, and wear, which is why gas cars need regular maintenance, like oil changes, spark plugs, filters, transmission servicing, engine repair. The electric alternative. Electric cars simply use stored electricity, which means no engine oil, no fuel system, and far fewer moving parts. Electric vehicles replace the entire gasoline engine with a battery and an electric motor. Instead of burning fuel, electric cars simply use stored electricity, which means no fuel system and far fewer moving parts. Charging can happen in different ways: at home overnight, at charging stations in malls, or at public EV chargers that are gradually expanding across the country. The real cost comparison. Let's compare the numbers. Gas versus electric cost. Gas cars is between 6 to 7 pesos per kilometer. Electric cars, 1 peso and 7 cents to 2 pesos per kilometer. EV is up to 70% cheaper per kilometer. Gas cars versus electric car maintenance comparison. So gas car, as we know, more maintenance and emits exhaust. On the other hand, electric car, less maintenance and zero emission. Gasoline engines contain hundreds of components that wear over time. Electric motors are mechanically much simpler. Research from the International Council on Clean Transportation shows that EVs significantly reduce vehicle emission over their lifetime. Everyday driving in the Philippines. Most Filipino drivers don't travel hundreds of kilometers every day. In fact, many daily commutes are less than 50 kilometers. That is well within the range of modern electric vehicles. EVs are especially efficient in stop and go traffic, which makes them surprisingly well suited for cities like Manila. For everyday commuting, electric vehicles are becoming increasingly practical. The turning point for electric vehicles. The Philippines is beginning to support electric vehicles at the national level. We have the EVIDA law, and electric vehicle adoption is growing. Charging infrastructure development of the EV industry is expanding. The big decision: gas or electric car. Both are part of the Philippines' future. The Philippines is entering a transition period, and the roads of the future may look very different from the roads we drive on today. If you find value from this video, subscribe to EV Explorer PH and join us as we explore the future of driving. Thank you for watching.